Welcome back to rTech. Today you're going to review the 4S IP security camera and know how to add a memory card on it. It's easy to find these wireless bullet cameras these days. In case you don't have one, you can try buying one of these. They're cheaper to install than your wired cameras, and they're somewhat good aftermarket software. Are very compatible with PCs as well as your mobile devices. This one's called the 4S Dot, and yes, the names are really weird. There are a lot of these cameras online. This particular model is the weatherproof IP66 rated camera, tougher than those indoor fancy cameras which can turn around. Like I said, the only drawback of this one is that there's no panning, so it's going to have a fixed view which you can record, and it makes up for all that by having the weatherproof build quality. So the build quality of this one is pretty decent. It comes with all kinds of accessories, antennas, wall mount screws, and very good packaging. So this one's a 720 pixel camera, and it's got a CMOS sensor. Will have slight motion detection capabilities, so it can detect movement here and there, and it can send you an email on your mobile or email or even your FTP server. So this one's also got night vision capabilities, and it's got a nice plastic head shield on it. Just remember, this one did not come with internal memory, and we will be finding out how to add one of these micro SD cards inside it. We'll come to that a little later. So the build quality is pretty nice. It's got this, I guess it's made of aluminum, I'm not too sure, but it looks pretty strong. And the glass itself in front looks good. And the wiring is pretty neat as well. It's got this unique 3-piece wire setup. One for the power cord, there's one for the LAN, and it's also got a reset button hidden. And that's unique to this one. I haven't seen that before. Anyway, yeah, so this will run on a 12-volt DC adapter as well, and can support SD cards up to 64 GB. And those are the night vision infrared LEDs. Looks pretty cool. And the quality of the recording is pretty good. It does work well even in the day as well as the night. So I've just kept a very small footage for you. Okay, so we'll go back to the part where we'll kind of remove this cover and figure out how to actually add a memory card on it. Most of these things are sealed units. There's nothing much you can do. So let's figure out, let's take out this screwdriver. You just need a basic toolkit to have this open. So let's knock off that first outer shell. Okay, once you do that, you need to unscrew the glass, and once you pop that off, you will see a small plastic shield which covers the electronics behind it. So just try not to destroy that. Try to remove it as carefully as you can, and you should see a couple of more screws behind that. So once you remove those, you should see that the whole unit should pop out in your hand. So it's got a sandwiched setup. Since there's no space, there's one board behind the other. And the whole unit is pretty much what is inside. So at the back, you would see a memory card slot. Just how to install a decent memory card at the back, and that should be it. There is an online site which lets you kind of download software. So let's check the app. So to install this on your mobile, you will need the CamHi app from the Play Store. I've already paired this with my camera to my Wi-Fi network, and the app itself is great. Got a lot of options. Cameras have different kind of software. I just want to make sure that I found the memory card working, and there you go. It does detect the memory card. So once you find the memory card, make sure that you format it for the first time. It does take some time, and once you do that, you're pretty much good to go. There are plenty of other options in the app, the record quality, setting up email, FTP server, etc. It's really not a bad buy for $40, and all you need is a Wi-Fi connection and a power supply, and that's all it takes to get your security set up. So that's a very short review from my side. It's probably more of adding memory card on your existing bullet camera, I should say. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video helped. Please do subscribe, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.